So I'm just leaving the post office now after picking up a couple of packages from Australia Post for some upcoming brand videos, and I thought that this drive back to my apartment, back to the setup, would be a good opportunity to give you guys a bit of an idea of where the channel's heading into the future. The channel's seen a few changes ever since it started, right? And it's going to be going into a bit of a different direction, but I've been building that direction for the last 9 months. So if you've been around for the last few months, it's not going to be that big of a change. Now, 9 months ago, I decided to start making more videos on how it's been like actually living with the tech, right? Like how it's actually been like living with products. And the products that I've carefully selected have been things that I've purchased myself, and there have been things that I've upgraded around my home. There have been things that I've upgraded around the setup, and they're things that I've genuinely needed. Like, for example, like the TV that was in the studio, that was, you know, a handful of years old. There was the monitors that I was using, which were older IPS monitors that were 4 years old. Then there was things that I bought that I thought that I'd try out and see how it goes, like things like the CMF watch, this Google Fitbit Air. There's things that I've had that stopped using after a while and made videos about that, like the PlayStation Portal. And what I'm trying to get at is, there's videos that have performed really well that you guys have enjoyed watching, and then there's videos also at the same time that didn't, right? I'm treating YouTube like a business at the end of the day. Like it's something that I dedicate a lot of time to, and it's only because I have a lot of fun doing it. Like I think I've finally found my passion in life. I genuinely think that this is something that I know that I love doing this. Like it's I don't think I've ever described anything as being a passion for me before, right? And that's exactly why I say that when I've treated it like a business, I've actually looked at things. I've looked at metrics, I've looked at analytics, I've looked at engagement rates, and I've looked at, you know, how long people watch your videos, what type of videos resonate well with you guys. And then from there, I have to draw a conclusion of, okay, so what type of videos do my viewers want to see? Now, there's also a very fine line between that and between where this channel is heading, right? So for a long time now, I've described myself as being a lifestyle tech creator. Lifestyle tech has a very broad umbrella, and I've used a lot, and like a lot of the products that I do cover are within that umbrella, right? Like monitors, like you use monitors for different types of things in your life. Like mobile phones, headphones, wearables on your wrist, gaming products and things like that. And I want the channel to go further into that direction. I've been making long-term reviews. Long-term reviews have worked really well for the channel and for you guys, because I'm sure that you want the genuine experiences that I am telling the stories of, rather than someone who's just using a product for 2 days and drawing a conclusion, right? Like there's certain experiences that you will have 2 or 3 weeks into using a product that you wouldn't have after using it for just 1 or 2 days and drawing a conclusion. Now, I'm not in any kind of a position where I can be buying brand new products, you know, expensive TVs and monitors and phones and everything else, and be making, you know, videos about all that kind of stuff every single week, or doing long-term reviews every single week. So I make do with what I can, you know, I try the best that I can, and everywhere in between I will put in some filler videos. Now, these filler videos, they could be anything. Like they could be software videos, like some good apps on a phone. They could be comparative videos, like different panel technologies versing each other. Also being like behind the scenes, like behind the life of a creator, or things like what's in my tech bag that I carry around with me all the time, like whenever I'm out and about on my days off. Now, I've tried a lot of things. I've tried to see what works and what doesn't work, and I've basically landed on where this channel is going to be heading in the future, and that's why I'm making this video. I'm going to start to show you guys a little bit more behind the scenes of what's happening when I'm making my videos. Right now, that doesn't necessarily mean like behind the scenes of filming and editing and scripting videos, but more so like genuine moments of actually using the tech. So I'm going to end up having my camera with me a lot more often, and that could be when I'm at a friend's house, it could be when I'm at a restaurant, it could be when I'm at a cafe, it could be when I'm driving. It all just depends on whatever product that I'm making the video about. It could even just be more genuine moments at the setup and at the and at the apartment over a highly cleaned up and curated you know, setting. I might be using a product or working on something like at 10:30 at night, and I've had a genuine thought, and instead of just noting it down and scripting it up later, you're going to get more of that raw footage. So whenever a thought pops into my mind about something and I've got something genuine to say about it, then I'm going to grab the camera and start recording it. The concept of product reviews are definitely staying on the channel. You're still going to be getting honest reviews. You're still going to be getting honest feedback. You're still going to be getting genuine reactions, but it's going to be happening more in real time, if that makes sense. Another thing as well, a lot of you guys are here from my monitor based videos, especially like the comparative videos that I've made in the past. Some more about like the reviews on the new monitors that I gotten, or the TV and everything else. And I genuinely appreciate all you guys, and I am going to still try to make videos like that. Like for example, soon I'm going to be replacing like the TV in my living room, and I will be making similar videos to that, like unboxings and reviews and everything else. Like long-term genuine reviews. But the channel's not a monitor channel, it's not a TV channel, it's not a phone channel, it's not even a setup or a studio channel, it's not for creators, it's not, you know, like an audio channel or anything like that. It's not a single niche down channel. It's about living my life with tech and me sharing my stories and my experiences with products, and some of those are going to be positive, some of those are going to be negative. And being a frugal guy that I am, I like to get the most value out of every dollar that I spend on a product. And if something doesn't live up to that standard that I expect, I will be talking about that, and there's not going to be any sugarcoating that. And now that the channel is growing, like we just surpassed 3,000 subscribers, and I genuinely appreciate every single one of you, because I wouldn't be making this particular video without you guys, because this is for you. But yeah, now that the channel is growing, I am actually getting a lot more attention from brands, and I'm being very selective and picky with who I do work with, because at the end of the day, that integrity and the honesty of the reviews for the review videos are going to stay exactly how they are. In the last 9 months, the channel has actually come a very long way, and a lot of that has to do with these long-term reviews where I'm providing my genuine reactions and my genuine opinions about things. Basically, that's what I'm going to be doubling down on, and that is exactly the type of videos that is going to be made moving forward. All that's going to be happening is I'm going to be a little bit more central into the story, because these reviews are my perspective from my life with my experience about these products, and I've made it heavily product focused so far, while still being in the videos and still showing you my uses. But yeah, it's just going to involve more of my raw thoughts as things happen. You're going to be seeing a lot more of the life behind it. Like I said, like you're going to see me driving to the post office, you're going to see me picking up parcels, you're going to see me going to IKEA and building out ideas for, you know, setup changes and things like that, because I've actually got a setup video coming up, and it may have dropped already, I'm not too sure. My setup constantly changes because I'm never 100% happy with it. I constantly make changes, and even with the video that may have already dropped, I'm still planning a desk change. So you're going to be coming along with me to IKEA to have a look at all the different products that's available, and everything else that goes along in the process, like the design aspect, you know, doing measurements, picking out the right products for the space. At the very beginning of this video, I mentioned that I've been treating YouTube like a business, and by that I mean like putting aside all the boring stuff like analytics and strategy and everything else. Now, I'm not going to go into figures, but I will say that every single cent that's come into the channel has been reinvested back into the channel and then some, because at the end of the day, like, we're only at the beginning stages of this channel, guys, and I've got a goal in mind, and it might seem ridiculous, but it's something that I am working every day towards, and I'm glad that you guys are going to be a part of it. So we'll continue to smash this thing together, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.